So when you guys are trying to get approved for the Chase credit card, I do suggest that you guys have at least a 680 credit score. I will want you to have a higher credit score, at least a 720, but at least have a 680. I have seen people gotten approved for credit cards with a 680, and also I've seen people they had a greater chance of getting approved if they got that pre-qualification in the mail. So just make sure you have at least a 680 credit score. And if you are pre-selected, like they send you mail, send us you're pre-selected, you also have a great chance of getting approved. But sometimes they're going to have to call you and verify your identity. So if they tell you wait 7 to 10 days, don't be alarmed, because they probably just have to verify your identity. Okay, do not be alarmed. Now, there's a lot of Chase credit cards out there. So let's go ahead and look on a blog to see some of those Chase credit cards. So just go to Rickita.com, click right here in the search bar, and then put Chase here, and then let's search, because I have a lot of different credit cards on my blog. So definitely check it out. And a lot of these credit cards, I tell you which credit bureau they are going to pull from. So all you got to do is put the whatever credit card in the search bar, and then let's see which credit cards are going to pop up. My internet is actually slower than usual right now. I'm not sure what it is, but please bear with my internet while we start searching. Don't forget, you guys, get that membership and also get your dispute letters, especially if you have negative accounts on your credit reports. We meet up twice per month in the membership, and I send out letters for you guys for free. Now, here is a different Chase credit card. So I got the Chase Freedom Flex credit card here, the Chase Freedom Student credit card, and these are all reviews that I did. The Chase Freedom Unlimited, that's not Chase. So we have those 3 Chase credit cards that I actually added here. And then all you have to do is just click it, Chase Freedom Flex credit card. You can just click it, and then you'll go directly and find information about this credit card directly. So I really, really like that. And you guys will be able to get up to 5% cash back. You don't have an annual fee. Plus, they have a $200 sign-up bonus. Now, that was at the time of this, you guys. A lot of times, these bonuses and stuff like that is changing. But definitely come here, watch the video, and then if you're interested in it, go ahead and apply. And you're going to see a lot of credit cards are going to start having reviews of people saying, hey, I was able to get approved for this for $10,000, $5,000. You'll see that on a different credit cards that's listed. Now, also similar credit cards, you'll see right here, you know, are there any similar credit cards to this one? So the Discover It Cashback credit card is very similar to the Chase Freedom Flex, because they actually give you 5% cash back also, but it's in different categories. So they rotate that categories in which you can get that 5% back. Plus they have the no annual fee, which is great. And you can see right here, somebody said they got approved for $2,000, $600. They'll be able to do a balance transfer, or for your purchases, give you 0% intro APR. So just make sure that you guys have at least a 580 credit score minimum. I would like for your credit score to be higher, but just have that minimum just so that you guys have a greater chance of getting approved. They don't have a pre-qualification. So if you guys like that card and you want to get it, they're going to give you a hard inquiry. Okay. So that's something I do want you guys to be aware of. So just make sure your credit score is high as possible so you have a greater chance of actually getting